Welcome back to another Dollar Tree review. Today we're going to be reviewing the LaColors eye marker, and these are liquid eyeliner markers, which is a really neat concept. This is not new. It's like an eyeliner pen. The claims on the packaging for these eyeliners, so I have blue and I have black. There were also a brown shade available. I did not pick up the brown shade. I just didn't think I would use it very much as I would use the blue one, which seems kind of odd, but I love colorful looks. If you're a fan of my channel, you already know this. So, the claims on the packaging. From thin to dramatic lines, this liner does both with ease. A flexible, slim felt tip combined with a smudge-free formula for an instant and beautiful results. So, application method is draw a line from your inner to outer corner of your lid. Well, I definitely agree with everything that packaging says. These are $1 each at the Dollar Tree. I hope that you guys can find these because I ain't even gonna lie, these are pretty awesome. So here's the blue one. That's a thick line, thin, medium, and look how wet and saturated that is. These are so pigmented, flexible, like it suggests. Very nice. You can easily create a wing with these. They do dry quickly even though they're pretty saturated. Now a little tip, if you're going to use these, I would definitely store them upside down so the tip is always saturated with product. Next up, I'm going to show you quickly the black one. And like demonstrated here, you can do thin lines, thick lines. Look how super black that is. And some eyeliner tips is start from your inner corner to your outer corner, but the tip is to go really slow. So if you're a beginner to eyeliner, a tip is to like kind of do dotted lines, connect them in between. You get what I'm saying? Go slow if you're a beginner with eyeliner. Just easy application tips for if you're a newbie or you've never used like the pen eyeliners. Just go slow, connect your little dots. It's a great learning kind of tip to just try. Same with wing eyeliner. I do have wing eyeliner videos, so if I can find the eyeliners tips and tricks video that I posted, I will definitely link that below for you guys to watch, as other Dollar Tree reviews as well. But look at these products, like it's already set down. Even this one's still a little wet, but look, it's not budging. It's not budging. So these are $1 each. Very pigmented, as you can tell, saturated product, easy to use. They are just like a marker. These are kind of small. You get 0.02 fluid ounces. But I think they're perfect for travel, perfect for every day because they're small and petite, perfect for your purse. These eyeliners, don't sleep on them. If you see these, don't sleep on them. You probably expect them to be like other marker eyeliners. There is other marker style eyeliners that I hated because they just dried out so quickly. They were not good from other brands, but these are super saturated. I expect this to last a while. I do have pictures of a 7-hour wear, and the black is still very black. Like, it didn't budge, it didn't flake, it didn't come off and smudge around the eye or in the waterline or any of those issues. There's no loud smell, they don't burn your eyes. These are great. Definitely check these out at your local Dollar Tree because they're amazing. And these do not claim to be waterproof, just so you know. How quickly do they remove with a makeup remover wipe? The blue definitely removed quicker than the black one, but quickly and easy, definitely. So I thank you guys so much for watching another Dollar Tree review with me. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Check the description box for additional Dollar Tree links. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree reviews, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Hope you all are having a blessed day. Thank you so very much for watching.